Welcome back to the finished video on this Fiat Panda Lounge. It is the 2015 model, it's 1.2 petrol, it's got the 5-speed manual gearbox. This is down on the register as a Cat S, but is now fully repaired and ready for sale. The car has just had a full service, it's had a new MOT carried out, it has 2 keys and it is covered 49,403 miles. Being the lounge model, it also comes with remote central locking, electric windows, electric mirrors, air conditioning, 15-inch alloy wheels, daytime running lights and CD radio with USB connectivity. Require any information on this car or any cars that you see on my channel, please contact me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com or leave a comment in the comment section below. Now will be a good time to subscribe to the channel if you've not done so already, that way you won't miss any new and upcoming builds. But as always, I do thank you for taking the time to watch these videos. Do hit that thumbs up, give us a like, and then we look forward to seeing you soon in another video.